Hello everyone, welcome back to our Network Expert channel, and I'm Pasupati Bania. I'll be mentored in this video. In this video, we are going to talk about activity to identify cybersecurity countermeasure to Thwart cybersecurity. And hope you guys have watched this video. I mean to say that you have watched the theory part, and this is the activity. If you haven't watched the theory part, go to the cybersecurity playlist, cybersecurity essential playlist, and watch the theory part and come back to the activity to do this activity. If you have done, or if you know already this activity, you can try it. If you don't know, you can go back to the theory playlist and come back and do this activity. Let's continue, guys. Here's the instruction that what is the instruction that we need to match each term to its descriptions, and the terms are early warning system, sharing intelligence, ISM standards, new laws, and vulnerability database. These are the terms, and as you see in the below table, we have on the left side we have terms, and the right side we have descriptions. And reading the descriptions, we need to match each terms which is related to the descriptions. It's like the honeypot project. The descriptions is the description, and the term that defines the description is early warning system. Honeypot project is the early warning system. That means we can write here EAR, early, WARNIN, early warning system. Like this, you need to match each term to its descriptions. Like early warning system match with description of honeypot project. As go on, you have to do it by yourself. I will be waiting for 2 minutes. After that, I will be showing you the answer which matches to its descriptions. So guys, do it yourself. If you have successfully done, that is okay. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. In the last of the video, I'll be showing you the answer that matches to its descriptions. Okay, let's do it, guys. Hope you guys have done this task, and it's time to check your answer, as I will be showing you the answer that is some that matches to its descriptions. Let's go. As we have already done the first one, early warning system to which matches its descriptions is the honeypot system is known as early warning system. And the infra-guard program. What does infra-guard program do? The infra-guard program share intelligence, ISM standards, new law, vulnerability database. What does infra-guard program does? Program share intelligence. Okay, it shares the intelligence, and the terms that matches are to description is share intelligence. SHARI, sharing, INTELLIGENCE, okay. Sharing intelligence is the term that matches to the descriptions called the infrared program. And the another description is ISO or ICE 27000. This is the terms that describe the ISM standards. Okay, ISM standard is the term that matches to the descriptions is ISO slash IEC 27000. ISM standards. And the Cybersecurity Act. Cybersecurity is the descriptions, and you need to choose between two, because we already have found the is from the descriptions and only two remaining. Either it might be the new law or the vulnerability database. And the cybersecurity has come under the terms new laws. New law is the term that describe Cybersecurity Act. Okay, new laws. And the last remaining one is vulnerability database. Vulnerability database term that matches to description is the Nation Common Vulnerability and Exposures CVE project. And vulnerability database. And we have completed these tasks that tell us to identify the cybersecurity countermeasures used to Thwart cybersecurity and cybercrime, and we have successfully done this activity. Hope you guys have successfully done this task. If you did not get the right answer, don't worry. Go back to the playlist of Cybersecurity Essential on our YouTube channel and watch there, and come back again to do this task. And we are in the last of this video, guys. Hope you have successfully done it, and hope you get the point what I'm trying to say in this video. So guys, that's for this video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.